Another week, another vlog. Look at that. Wow, it's so fast. It's snowing again. Look at this. It's snowing again, guys. But my husband said it's just 1 inch today. But it will snow until tonight. So it's Sunday. We'll go to church, actually. Another week, another vlog. Oh, hi! Hi!
Hey, how you doing?
You like this snow now?
Yeah!
She's getting used to it. Getting used to it. Yeah.
On me, I still hate it.
Yeah.
Oh!
I'm done with it. Yeah, I'm done. Yeah. I'm over. I'm over with it.
Yeah, so you like it, huh?
Yeah, I'm still enjoying it.
You like the cold weather?
Actually, no. I just like the snow. I just want to see the snow.
I don't like it.
I'm ready for spring.
Huh?
I'm ready for spring.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. Our neighbor said I'm enjoying the snow. Snowy. So cold outside. Oh, it's snowing. Careful, Lobby, ah.
I'm good.
Is it slippery now?
No, it's not really silly. It's not really on the road. Just on the grass. It's snow because you just see it on the grass, not on the road.
Our neighbor was funny. They know that I am new here. So they're asking for my reaction about the snow, the cold. I love the snow, but I don't like the cold.
Yeah. She's being nice.
But what he said, Gary said,
He said he don't like it either.
Yeah,
He said I'm done with it.
yeah,
People like one good snow, but then they're kind of over it.
yeah.
So that
Oh, Lobby.
water.
Ooh. Maybe that's from snow.
Yeah.
It's not rain, but snow.
Snow.
Yeah.
Here comes the plow.
Oops. So that's the
Wow. Snow plow.
But he has nothing to plow yet.
Yeah, not yet. He's looking.
Ah, okay. Maybe he's preparing himself.
Yeah. They got good money in the snow. So, like, if someone wants their driveway plowed, they get paid.
How about in summertime? What is their job?
Usually, those people are landscapers. Usually, in the
Okay.
summertime. Sometimes people just do it on the side, so they have a regular job. But then when it snows, they put on their plow and then go out.
Okay.
And like in a weekend, they can make like thousands of dollars.
They work for the government.
No. Some do, but
I thought that's free love for the government.
Yeah.
Like the government pay.
yeah, there is a government
for
plow,
them.
but then there's also, when it's not fast enough and someone wants their whole like parking lot paved
Yeah.
or plowed, they'll hire
Oh,
like
okay.
private people. So if you want your parking lot plowed, you have to hire somebody. Warm to snow. It's almost too warm to snow, really. It's like 33 right now. Because freezing is
Oh yeah,
32.
it's 33.
32 is when things freeze. So anything above 32 is going to melt.
Yeah, so it's supposed to be snow, but
So up in the
it's,
sky, it's 32.
yeah,
But here, it's 33.
it's become watery, love. So maybe it's slippery the road.
Just like water, that's all. It's not ice. Or
Okay. But why it's so dark? Oh, lovely, because we're near river.
no, it's overcast.
Or it's getting...
Well, it might be worse than Grandma.
Oh, yeah, kinda, love. It's so dark. snowing. It's 9:59 and it's 33 degrees outside.
Wow.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Wowie, wow, wow.
I really like this bridge.
We usually don't come here this time of day.
It's 12:05 now.
Had a good time.
It's sunny now, Lovey. So in our area, the snow are, yeah, you can see snow are melted now.
On the docks. A little bit.
Docks? What do you call that?
Like wooden planks on the sea, the river.
Still have some,
Yeah.
very little. But on the road, on the grass trees, it's now melted.
Yeah. Imagine that.
Maybe in our house also it's melted or
Probably.
let's see.
Yeah.
Oh, no more snow, guys. I still have a little bit
A little bit.
there and there because it's so sunny. Hi, it's Tuesday now. So this morning, I work for my client in the Philippines for 3 hours. So I'm planning to continue that later after dinner because my goal is at least 5 hours every Monday to Friday. That's my part-time job. I'm done cleaning the house and I'm doing right now a laundry. And if you can hear, I have sweet potatoes inside the air fryer right now. My chopstick is finished, but look at this. This is one of the gifts of Wade last Christmas. Wow! Oh, smells like chocolate. What's flavor? Milk chocolate. The milk chocolate is actually 2. Let's try. This is not a food. Oh, this is sweet. And smell like chocolate. Winter is not yet over, but I finished already 1 lip balm. Let's see how many lip balm I will finish this winter. I already finished the mixed nuts. This is actually one of the gifts of my brother-in-law, Kuya Daniel. I finished already the dried mangoes. This is dried banana chips. I will put here. This is actually good snack. Perfect. Our church has a challenge to memorize the book of Ecclesiastes from January to until December, until the end of this year. So my husband and I are memorizing it. The words of the preacher, the son of David, king in Jerusalem. Vanity of vanities, saith the preacher. Vanity of vanities, all is vanity. What profit hath a man of all his labor which he taketh under the sun? Is that correct? Then verse 4. One generation passeth away, another generation cometh, but the earth abideth forever. The sun also ariseth and goeth down, and hasteth to his place where he arose. The wind goeth toward the south, and turneth about unto the north. It whirleth again continually, and the wind returneth again to his circuits. According to his circuit. Okay, one more try. Cooking gives me time to memorize. I can memorize. Instead of listening to something or to watching something, I can memorize. Look at this. By the way, guys, you might think I'm pregnant because I'm gaining weight. I'm not yet. It's not a baby inside me. It's just a food. I was just bloated last week. Hi. I'm not yet done cooking.
I got water too.
That's why I serve you this first.
What?
Because I'm not yet done
Oh, you
cooking.
can. I can exercise if you want to. I was gonna do that.
Different food.
Different food.
Yeah. I said, oh no, you're coming already. I'm not yet done cooking. This is so beautiful broccoli.
Wanna go and eat?
I'm hungry already too. I will continue it later. Okay, it's now ready. Let's start cooking. This. I'm not yet done. I will make strawberry jello,
Oh.
egg pie, and I will try to make bread using this
And strawberry egg pie.
with hot dog. So let's see if I can make it.
And strawberry pie with hot dogs in it.
What? That's weird.
Yeah, really.
Strawberry egg pie
How would you
with
make that?
hot dog. I want to do it here so that I can sit down and rest a bit.
There's not enough room here.
Yeah. I'm cooking for a giant, guys.
he's 37 L's high.
So that's why I'm cooking so many. Oh, this is so beautiful. I like this. Oh. I just saw like this in the video, so I'm cutting it to have shape. Finally, it's done. Whoa, it looks yummy, lovey. Wow, it's time to sleep. It's 10:30 now. It's now 2:28 a.m. and I can't sleep. Maybe because of vitamins. Okay, let's just try this. I'm hungry. The bread is flaky. It's good. Let me try my first egg pie. That's so sweet. But I like the sweetness. Not very sweet. It's sweet, but not very sweet. My husband is sleeping. I'm just reading. And I also prepare this. One of my bridesmaids on our wedding, she's going to give birth soon, this coming February. So I'll prepare a card for her. Actually, this coming Saturday, it's her baby shower, but I won't be able to attend that. So it's now 5. I need to stop this already. Okay. I'm going to eat already because we'll go to church tonight. Wow. I'm planning to give this to my in-laws, but this is not perfect. If it's not beautiful, we might just eat this. I won't give this. I will just eat this here. But still look beautiful actually. Let's see. This is actually yummy, guys. And this. And look at my soup. It comes out already from the bone. So I'm going to give that to Wade too. I received a gift from someone. I don't know who, but I have a guess. Let me open this. Because we have something at church. We call it Secret Sister. Secret, right, Nabi? Secret Sister.
I'm not part of it.
Yeah, that's for ladies only. Ooh. Huh? Wow!
What is that?
Sticker, color, and activity book.
Ooh.
Maybe she thought I don't have something to do in the house.
You're bored.
Yeah, like, oh, you're bored. Match the flower for the month.
Nice.
Oh, yeah.
Keep your mind sharp.
Oh, but the good thing here is, wow. I like this. There's a recipe for tea or juices
Ooh.
that I can make. Oh, wow. Okay.
Nice.
Wow.
Sweet.
Sweet present. Wow, I like this.
Thank you. Secret.
Thank you to my secret sister. But the most important thing is, even if we cannot give gifts to each other, because this might cost, oh, like $19. $20 this one. Even if we cannot give something to our secret sister, the most important rule there is to pray. It's supposed to be just the card, but this one, she has a gift. I feel like this is from Miss
There's more?
Paula.
There's more?
If not Anastasia, this is from Miss Paula.
Could be.
Oh, look at that! There's a daisy. Let's see. I can tell with the handwriting. Just kidding. Maybe she... Oh, she didn't use her... She didn't use her handwriting because
That's
I might
sneaky.
know it.
That's sneaky.
I feel like she is. Dear Daisy, I am glad to be your secret sister and I hope I will do a good job at making you feel cared and prayed for. Oh, I think I need to copy like this. Because my my card for my secret sister is was very simple. The first one. It's okay. We still have 5 months to go.
Yeah.
It has been such a blessing to get to talk with you and see you faithfully go soul winning. I know I'm just imagining who is writing this. I will be praying that your family grows both in spiritual matters and in size. Love, your secret sister. Who's this? Who's this, Lavi? Who gave me this?
I'm trying to think, it could be Paula because she's very detailed like that.
So I'm just wrapping gifts for his dad. They cannot see it. And then I will just put it in a frame. So this is my gift for my in-law, my father-in-law. So I'm going to use the green for your dad. For the birthday, and then the red one for the anniversary.
Yeah, I think that's good.
Okay. Oh wow. Maybe it was windy last night. I work here the whole day because it's so cold here. So this is my working station, but it's so cold in this side. It's so dark already outside, but still very white. Hi, I'm here.
I got water in the car.
So while my husband is doing exercise, exercise pa siya. I'm just want to show you my strawberry jello. This looks good. Okay, kind of firm now. I'm not sure if it's still looks like not yet very firm. Wait, I feel like this is not firm.
Her English is finished.
Okay, it's time to work, Labi.
Okay.
I'm gonna read her soon.
By the way, guys, follow us also on our Facebook, our share story. So this morning, I uploaded that video. So today, I need to work for 10 hours for my client in the Philippines. But before that, I need to eat first. So this is the last pie. This is yummy.